Hablemos en todo idioma, un poquito de alemán, un poquito de inglés.
This is going to be a English, Spanish, German video today.
Yes.
We'll
Can you
be
take over?
yes.
On our way back home.
Talia, do you want to sit down? Everyone say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Talia is my mom's cousin's granddaughter.
My mom's cousin granddaughter.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, Romy.
And my dad is my best friend.
Her dad is her best friend.
that's
Oh,
That's beautiful.
that is beautiful.
And I'm your mom's twin.
Yeah. And
This is my mom's twin sister. And we are
in
going
San Antonio.
to San Antonio. We're excited. This is a city we wanted to see for how long, Andre?
Since we came
to the U.S. since 12 years ago. Not we, since Andre came to the U.S. It's been on our to-do list, and in fact, we almost moved to Fredericksburg. He almost got a job in Fredericksburg about 6 years ago. So we are excited. Today, we're just gonna do Stations of the Cross. It's Good Friday, and then we are gonna have a look around. And then we're going to
the downtown, you won't believe it, and
the river walk.
river walk.
I can't wait. And you were there yesterday.
Yes.
And you loved it?
I loved it.
Okay. A lot of people?
Who did you go with? By
A
yourself?
lot
Who
of
did you go?
people, and the lights were beautiful. So hopefully by the time we get there, it's going to be dark. They're praying the whole song.
Oh,
that Jesus
beautiful.
was praying.
Which song?
When
All the
Jesus
prayers,
said-
the last prayers?
When Jesus said, Father, in your hands I commend my spirit, and all of that. That is a song that the Jewish people did at 3 o'clock every Sabbath, or maybe just on the one day a year.
Yes.
So that's what he was saying. People think he thought
Saying
the father,
random things.
Yeah,
Yes.
that the father had forgotten him as a
But he
good
was
Jewish,
recalling.
He was recalling that.
So that anyone who knew the Old Testament would know,
Would know.
that this was the...
Yes.
I love that.
Never sin again. And to love you always and to do your will. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it was in heaven.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now.
Jesus was thrown down onto the cross. He stretched out his arms and offered his life to the Father and the Father.
That's dirty.
The soldiers nailed him to the cross and pushed the Father and died. Jesus, through my sins, I deserve to be punished, but your death is my sin.
No tendrías ninguna autoridad sobre mí si no te la hubiera.
Y con él a otros dos. Después de esto, uno de cada lado, y en medio Jesús. Pilato mandó escribir un letrero y ponerlo encima de la cruz. En él estaba escrito: Jesús de Nazaret, el Rey de los judíos.
So this is busy here. This is the river walk.
You know, the other day I saw a lot more
Crazy,
lights.
so many people. It's kind of unique. There's the river right there, San Antonio River. No, yeah, I've seen it.
one.
It's a tiny little model.
Big, isn't it? Bigger than you thought. Bigger than I thought.
Get up on that land and stay in America.
So we are here at the Alamo. This is the Alamo in San Antonio. We're bringing Freya with us, and hopefully we can bring her in. We're not sure. We'll see it right there. Look at this. So we're literally in the middle of San Antonio. This is close to the river walk and everything. This is where the missionaries came originally, and where they built this church, this mission.
You hear that? We're free because they're sold out online and they're sold out here. So they're like, just go in because the tickets are sold out. So that's a pro tip. Don't plan, for all my planners.
Wow, so minutes, then...
No, that's cool. That's
I think they're waiting for food.
I know, they just come right up.
Yeah.
And then they take it out and put it back in here.
And they when they forget, what happened?
Well, it shoots it out, so it's no good anymore because you can't put the bullet back in there, the musket ball back in. Anyway, they had the powder and the ball, right? Oh, like a little package. So they would tear off the ball, right? Their teeth. Put the powder in there. Put the ball in there because they had it wrong. They ram it down there. Put a little powder with a powder ball right here, right? Bring it down. Look for a spark right here. Yep. And then start all over again. What's that? That's a flash guard. They didn't have it back then. We use this for reenactment purposes. Because if I'm shooting, that's gonna come this way. Yeah. See? So if you're next to me, you're gonna have a burnt ear. So that's why we use this in reenactments.
And the handgun works the same way?
Yes, sir.
Exactly the same way?
Yes, sir.
And a bayonet fits on this one? Yeah. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, I was like everybody, so if they're too close, right? You don't have no time. You just
Right to reload. That's long. That's
makes it even longer with that.
yeah.
And before they realized what to do, right? Well, they only had one notch, right? So when they would stab them, there goes their bayonet. So that's why they said, you know what? Just improve on that one. Just put another notch on it. So that way, when they got stabbed, they won't lose.
Doesn't fall off. Yeah.
And they were real sharp, real pointy. Mine ain't because I don't want to get hurt myself.
Right.
You know what I mean? But like they said, the Geneva Convention, because of the way of the triangulator, right, and the bloodline right here.
Right.
Well, back in the day, well, this war is war, right?
Yeah.
One die, maybe not. Well, this is like pro war because this one here you couldn't fix a wound like this. So nowadays, any other war, the war they're on right now, they can only have either wrong one or that one.
Yeah.
Because they can fix that, but this they couldn't fix them. So
Did both sides use this, the Mexicans and the Texans? Did both sides use this, the
yes,
Mexicans?
this is like what the Mexicans always use, but everybody started buying them in bulk. They were old cheap back in the day.
And your uniform?
It's not a uniform. This is what they wore. That's what they wore. That's what they wore.
Okay.
The only uniform was with the Mexican army.
Okay.
It was the real army.
All right.
We're just a ragtag of people that live here trying to protect their country.
Okay.
But to them it was their country.
Uh-huh.
But it was their land. So Mexico, but it was their country.
Right.
It was called Texas. That's why we're called Tejanos. We're already here.
Do you ever actually shoot the gun?
Yes, sir. Well, not with no musket ball, right? But when we do reenactments, I do load them up and shoot it with powder. But this is what they used to use back in the day.
Wow.
Oh yeah, number lead. See, that's why, like back in the day, also when they would hit you like this. That's why you would see a lot of people with their appendages cut off because
Right.
with that would shatter it. You can't fix
Yeah.
it.
No, they can't fix that.
They didn't have the technology back then, so it would just shatter. They just cut it off.
Yes.
Wow.
It's heavy. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks for
Appreciate
coming,
it.
guys.
Sure.
Thank you.
Orleans, my town. San Antonio being between New Orleans, Mexico. You have all the Indian trade with China.
Died until the 14th day. They had some
We had
injuries.
a well inside.
No one died, and on the 14th day, everyone died. I love how he
They
does
had
that. That's so sad.
Uh-huh. It is so sad. This is to light, to ignite it, push the ball
Oh,
back.
I see. Wow.
Yeah, we'll start taking it loose.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a 6-pounder right here.
Oh, wow.
And it was just the ball, right? The ball didn't blow up or anything. It didn't-
Well, it did if it was a shrapnel. So there's different types of projectiles that you could use. So this was a solid shot.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is a solid shot.
Careful,
just
don't
be
pull.
careful.
Don't
It just
pull,
breaks
don't
walls.
pull. I didn't hit it to you.
So it's try.
It's heavy. Be careful.
Max and Josephine, I want better behavior.
I like your dress. That's pretty.
Pretty heavy, right?
Is that your favorite?
Can I?
So how would that work then? How would they put explosives in
Oh
there?
my goodness.
Well, you would have to hollow it out.
Okay.
heavy.
Once you
Feel
hollow
it,
out
Andre.
this ball, and
It's
and
heavy,
then
isn't
you
it?
can load it with smaller shots.
Okay.
Are you German?
Yes.
Oh shit, my mom's German.
Oh really?
Yeah, I kann Deutsch.
Yeah.
Oh, super.
My grandparents
Sind Sie aus Texas?
were German.
Von hier?
Ich bin aus Chicago, aber ich bin in Fort Hood stationiert. Ich
Okay.
bin bei der Army.
Oh yeah.
You don't look at German
There
at
you
all.
go.
Thanks very much.
It's a small world.
Not a
yeah.
bit.
It is.
No.
Your mustache, maybe. He talked to us at Goliath. Doesn't he? Look like the guy from Goliath?
Mm-hmm.
Who you were talking to?
In my wagon. In my wagon, you little brother.
But
It's good. What do you get?
mint, chocolate chip, cookies and cream, and what's it called again?
I don't know. What did you get, Bodhi? Did you get ice cream? What do you have, Max? Sebastian?
Mint chocolate chip, butter pecan, and coffee.
Which is your favorite?
Coffee.
What?
Coffee.
Coffee. What's your favorite?
Oh, this one's caramel.
Oh, chocolate. Chocolate good?
I didn't try it yet.
What do you like best, Romy? The red or the chocolate? Strawberry? Which one did you like best? Everybody, now we just came back from visiting the missions, the Alamo, and the river walk one more time. What did you all think? Basti, what did you think about the missions?
I like them.
What else do you think?
What did you say?
They were very nice.
Okay.
I like them a lot.
It was a shame that the one Mission Concepcion was closed. That's apparently the most realistically
Accurate?
historically accurately kept church.
Is that the one I stayed in the car?
That one was kind of weird though. It didn't have like a fence or a wall.
Yes, it was all taken down already because of history. Like the Alamo didn't have the wall either, or just a few bits remaining. And then what's a shame, we missed the first one too. We didn't go to the first one.
I think we'll see that.
But maybe we can do it tomorrow or so, another time. Yes, I think it's definitely worth it. I think they were kept beautifully inside.
Do you know what, Andre? I didn't know much about the Alamo, and I didn't know it was like right in the middle of the city.
Yeah. So that's the next thing. What did you think about the Alamo? Do you think, at first I thought it was underwhelming when we got in there, into the mission itself, into the church.
Yeah.
And there was not much to see, was there? There wasn't like, it didn't look like a church, but it hadn't been used as a church in forever. It was not like all the others.
Maybe they don't want people to be underwhelmed, so they don't film it. Maybe that's why.
All the other missions were still active churches, or at least holy grounds, you know, and
Okay, my turn. Brooklyn.
Wow.
Brooklyn's are better than when I was bigger.
All right, give her time.
I love how the pool ripples. La mano del viento dice de hambre del día a los que no lo son. Gracias, Señor, por la familia. Gracias por todos los niños. Y bendice, Señor. Amén. Amén.
Thank you. Right, everybody, that's it from the FreeWayTribe out of San Antonio. We had a good time here, and